Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you a short story from Uttarakhand of Valmiki Ramayana. Well, I have heard that means there is a saying that the birth time of a child has great impact on his life. So it is very important. So I'm just going to give you a simple example from this Uttarakhand of Valmiki Ramayana, a short story. Now you know what? Once Somali, the Rakshasa king, he was roaming around the world. While he was roaming, he saw uh, the Lord of Wealth, means Kubera, on his Puspaka Jana. Means Kubera was also moving around on his Puspaka Vimana, chariot. Now, after looking him, Somali was very much surprised and he immediately wished that at least he should have a person like him. While he was roaming around the world, that time his daughter Kaikesi was also with him. Kaikesi was extremely beautiful and she was no less than Sri herself. And um, she was also in her marriageable age. So Somali came to his daughter and said, "Oh daughter, oh beautiful one, just listen to me. Uh, you should marry, as you are in marriageable age, you should marry one brilliant Brahmarshi so that you can also get a son like the Lord of Wealth." Thus, he immediately uh, told her that the son of Rishi Paulaskya, Vishrava Rishi, was um, doing his penances. She should go there and approach him. As Kaikesi was very obedient, very well behaved daughter, immediately she went to Rishi Vishrava. That time Vishrama Rishi was, she reached there and she stood on the threshold of the hermitage of Rishi Vishrava, and there she stood with her eyes cast down and she was scratching the ground with her toes. She said nothing. At that time, Vishrava Rishi was undergoing penances and that was, he was also doing the Agnihotra Yagya. Then immediately when Vishrava Rishi saw Kaikesi, he asked, "Oh beautiful lady, who are you and what for you have come? And where from you have come?" When he asked these questions, immediately Kaikesi joined her hands and said, "Oh Rishi, you are a wise person and yogi. You could come to know and you know very well why I have come." So thus she only said, "I wish that you should fulfill my desire." When she said this, uh, Vishrava Rishi immediately closed his eyes. With his yogic power, he could come to know why she had come. But he said, "Oh lady, oh beautiful lady, you should know which hour you are coming. This is the very cruel hour of the dusk. And whatever children you will get, they will only be wicked-minded, cruel, and they will have some bad companions. So, what for you have come in this hour? Do you want this?" Then Kaikesi joined her hand and said, "Oh Rishi, you are Brahmarshi, you know everything. I beg you, please don't give me the cruel children only." Then Vishrava Rishi said, "Oh beautiful lady, your children will be cruel, but they will be very learned, and the youngest one will be the most, means he will become virtuous and follower of dharma. He will be a good one. But the other three, they will be wicked-minded, cruel, and they will have all the bad company." Thus Vishrava Rishi fulfilled the desire of Kaikesi. And Kaikesi was blessed with 4 children. The eldest one was the Ravana, 10-headed Ravana, means Dasagriva, and second one was Kumbhakarna, and the third one was Surpanekha, fourth one was Vibhishana. As Visrava Rishi predicted, the fourth child, Vibhishana, was completely different from all these three. He was virtuous, he was extremely dharmic, and his mind was always bestowed upon the gods. So now these three, Ravana, as you know, he was very wicked-minded, and all his friend circle were also like him only. And this Kumbhakarna, he tortured all the rishis and even he ate them. You know about Surpanakha. So once Kaikesi saw that the Lord of Wealth was moving on his Puspaka chariot, that time he called Ravana and said, "O son, why don't you become like Vaisravana? Look how wise he is and how he was moving around on his Puspaka chariot. And where is your power?" As Kaikesi told Ravana this thing, Ravana said, "O mother, in front of you I am taking a vow that I will be, even if I will not be better than Vaisravana, means this Lord of Wealth, but I will be no less than him, and I will fulfill all your desire." Thus Ravana went to worship Lord Brahma, and thousands of years he worshipped, and ultimately Lord Brahma blessed him. Well, this much is the story I wish to tell you. The reason is that since in the cruel hour of dusk, Kaikesi approached Rishi Visrava for the children, that is why Ravana had become so cruel. And as maybe some muhurt, some moment was good when Vibhishana was born. Well, some other time, if I will get some exceptional story, I will share it with you. And yes, please, this is simply written in Valmiki Ramayana that I told you. Thank you so much.